Okay, morning folks. Welcome to the briefing on Friday the 29th. Yeah, it does feel like autumn's here now. Low pressure systems nearby and the jet streams sort of sitting more or less over the top of us just for a bit and driving the weather patterns through. So this is the midday chart. This one's cold front here. It just cleared us really, but you've then got trailing fronts behind it, and you'll see that on the rainfall radar. And tucked in there also is the isobars being quite well squeezed together. So for a while, it does look like it's going to get fairly windy today from the southwest. The TAFs, certainly Farnborough, when it's this long, you know, when you've got sort of two lines from Farnborough, you know there's plenty of weather coming through. So the key points, the rain this morning is probably the stuff that's just going through, the heavy stuff. And then beyond that, you've got sort of tempo showers and prob 40 between sort of 10 and 4 this afternoon, 7,000 metres showers and rain. And certainly becoming, as it says here, between 11 and sort of 2, 23 gusting 36. That's really around the showers, I suspect. But sometime in the afternoon, it drops off to southwesterly 220, 12 knots. So I think it's a case of the worst weather's going through this morning, windy, some hefty showers, and then hopefully improving a little bit better this afternoon. But yeah, showers could be anywhere. Upper winds, flying heights seem to be 30, 35 knots on other forecast charts I've seen. From the south, 35. Maybe the order of the day. So fairly breezy, certainly all day, to be honest. Bit too gusty for flying this morning, probably. And SatPic shows the main band of rain. This is the stuff that's gone through. And the brighter stuff are all the showers and rain in here, which has yet to go through. And so we're certainly going to see some hefty showers and clear spells between them for the morning and early afternoon, I think. So you can see the main band of frontal rain. There's another, this is the trailing occluded front, I think. And then you've got bands of rain coming through here, mainly from the channel, to be honest, for us. So a few heavy spells of rain, but I think hopefully this is coming through quite quickly. This will clear through by the afternoon. May well get some flying this afternoon. Temperature wise, it's going to feel fairly normal for this time of year, I suspect. 12, 13 degrees. It's not a cold wind, so won't be a huge amount of wind chill. Should be fairly okay, fairly tolerable with a coat out at the launch point and a hat. And top meteo, sort of showing lots of cloud, all the rain showers in here this morning. And then as the morning goes on, 12, 1, 2 o'clock, still showers, but getting better in the afternoon. That's 2, 3 o'clock. And again, with more showers out to the West Country. Their rainfall animation is very, very similar to the actual rainfall radar. And slowly clearing through and better this afternoon. Rolling it forward another 24 hours, it looks like we've got the same sort of picture tomorrow, rain clearing through here in the morning and showers in the afternoon. And again, the timing has changed a little bit on that one. So I think the next couple of days look showery, yeah, longer periods of rain. Should be able to hopefully squeeze some flying in between those. Okay. Airspace wise, not really a lot going on. The usual stuff is Southampton's hours of operation, daylight hours basically. Number 13 is the high intensity radio transmissions from Boscombe Down. And number 15 is the danger area crossing service not available. Number 9 is an air display down in Sussex. Not going to be an issue, I think, for anybody here. Air display aerobatics 12:30 to 13:10 at Lavant Down in West Sussex. Service to 4,000 feet. No issue for, I think, anybody flying out of Lasham, unless you're actually planning to trip off cross country in a motor glider or a powered aircraft this afternoon. And that's really about it for the airspace wise. Operationally, I think we'll probably be on 2-3 if we do go out and fly at some point, and try and keep off the grass because it's rained quite a bit overnight. So that might be a little bit damp, but we'll see how that goes. Okay, folks, so maybe some flying this afternoon if we're lucky and the weather calms down a little bit and the wind calms down, and possibly see you there.